Hey, what's going on, you guys? Alex Vorisan here. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what you can see from this group. We're getting people every single day into the group, but also into this new system that shows you step by step how to generate income, commission, sales from wherever you are in the world. And let's just scroll through real quick to show you guys that it's real. All right, so people are joining every day. Here you go. And I can just keep going and going. And here's Amanda. She managed to get $400, and that's just to start off the day. It's not even over, right? So a lot more sales can come through. And you can do the same. Just simply copy paste like many of us are doing. James is definitely crushing it. You can see him up here quite often, actually. So $300 right off the bat, and it's not just my team and myself doing it, but all these people are coming in day after day after day. Even a $50 payment, when that's out of the blue, imagine what that can do for you. I love talking about how if somebody made $10 an hour at a job, working 40 hours a week, that's $400. So you can quickly gain more of your time back by chipping away at that $400 versus $10 in earnings, then 25, then 50, then 100, then 300, then 400, and you just keep going and going, and eventually you earn back all of your time so that you don't have to work anymore. This is actually me, $150 right off the bat to start off the day, chilling in the villa, which is pretty cool. But it just goes on and on and on and on and on. Look, for Gary, $300. But hey, these guys are real people, and you can be doing the same thing. I'm just here to show you what's possible. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help, and the team is definitely crushing it, and you can too. All right, you guys, see you on the inside, and message me if you have any questions.